Have you ever wondered how those hilarious videos are made where celebrities are put in crazy situations? Well, the answer is face swap technology, and it's easier to learn than you think. In this video, I'll be showing you exactly how to create your own face swap masterpieces in just a few minutes. So ditch the boring selfies and get ready to unleash your creative side with the power of face swap. FaceMod's revolutionary AI technology takes the hassle out of creating amazing content, like AI portraits. Powered by one of the best and constantly evolving AI algorithms, FaceMod brings your ideas to life effortlessly. Unleash your creativity and step into the future of artistic expression with FaceMod. First, open Google Chrome and search for FaceMod 𝗙𝗵𝘁 website, or you can find the website link in the video description. After opening it, click on the Get Started Now button. Before uploading any video or image, please create a free account on the platform. Then, upload your target image first. Your image should be clear with frontal faces only, no glasses, side faces, or masks. After uploading, FaceMod AI will analyze your target image. Then, you can select a sample face. However, here I will use my own image. Click on the Choose Your Own Face button and upload your image. Then, simply click on the Swap button. That's all. On the next window, you can download your face swap image. This is just for fun. Now, let's try changing video faces too. Go back to the Upload page and select Upload Your Target Video. Then, click on the Next button. Similar to our previous setup, click on the Choose Your Own Face button, upload your image, and click on the Swap button. That's all. Here are the results. One thing you might have noticed is that FaceMod is very fast compared to other tools. I hope with this tool, you can create fun videos for your family. Thanks for watching.